Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential aspects of a healthy lifestyle: sleep. Stick around to find out how sleep impacts your health and tips to get the best rest possible. Did you know that sleep isn't just about resting? It's a complex process that rejuvenates your body and mind. There are several stages of sleep, including REM, rapid eye movement, and non-REM sleep. Each stage plays a critical role in maintaining your overall health. During non-REM sleep, your body repairs tissues, builds bone and muscle, and strengthens the immune system. REM sleep, on the other hand, is essential for cognitive functions like memory, creativity, and problem-solving. Getting enough quality sleep has numerous benefits. It enhances brain function, improves mood, and boosts physical health. Let's break it down further. Firstly, sleep sharpens your brain. It improves memory consolidation, helps you learn new information, and enhances your focus and concentration. So, if you want to ace that test or excel at work, don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Secondly, sleep is crucial for emotional well-being. It helps regulate your emotions and reduces stress. When you're well rested, you're more likely to feel happier and less anxious. Lastly, sleep is vital for your physical health. It supports heart health, regulates blood sugar levels, and helps maintain a healthy weight. Plus, a strong immune system means fewer sick days. On the flip side, poor sleep can lead to serious consequences. Lack of sleep affects your mood, impairs cognitive function, and increases the risk of chronic conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. But don't worry, we have some tips to help you improve your sleep. Here are some simple yet effective tips for better sleep. Tip 1. Stick to a sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock. Tip 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Wind down with calming activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing meditation. Tip 3. Optimize your sleep environment. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Tip 4. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light from screens can interfere with your sleep. Try to unplug at least an hour before bedtime. Tip 5. Watch what you eat and drink. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime. Instead, opt for a light snack or herbal tea. Remember, quality sleep is the foundation of a healthy life. By making sleep a priority, you're taking a crucial step towards a happier, healthier you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and advice. Sweet dreams, and see you in the next video.